Hello all and welcome again to the C tutorials. In today's class we are going to see about operators and the different kinds of operators that are present in our C library. So operators are used to perform mathematical operations, as we all know. So there are different kinds of operators that are offered by C library. They are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, and Misc operators. So we'll go one by one. We'll start with arithmetic operators. We already know all the arithmetic operators that are present. They are plus operator, that is used for addition, subtraction operator for finding the difference between two numbers, division operator, multiplication operator, and a modulo operator to find the remainder of two digits. This operator may not be familiar to you. It is known as an increment operator. So suppose that if you have a variable for a whose value is 5, you perform an increment operation on it, the value of a will be changed to 6. So this increment operator is similar to a plus 1. So you got it. So likewise, decrement operator is same as a minus 1. So plus plus and minus minus are unary operators and all the others are binary operators. That's all about arithmetic operators. We'll move on to relational operators now. There are six kinds of relational operators: equal to, equal to. Um, let's suppose you have two variables named a and b. So if you want to check whether the value of a and b are equal, you specify it like this. So this returns the value true if a and b are equal. So equal to operator checks for equivalence. The next operator here is known as not equal to operator. It returns true if a and b are not equal. This operator is less than operator. This is the greater than operator. This is less than or equal to operator. Let us consider an example where value of a is 2 and value of b is 4. So if you perform less than or equal to operator between a and b, the value will be true now because 2 is less than or equal to 4. So if you perform greater than or equal to operator, which is this one, the value will be false because 2 is not greater than or equal to 4. So that's all about relational operators. Logical operators. In logical operators, we have three types: double ampersand, pipe operator, and logical not operator. A double ampersand operator will return true only if both the operands passed to it are true. So let us consider an example where a equal to 2 and b equal to 5. So if we perform logical AND operation between two cases where a is less than b and a is not equal to b. So let these two be the conditions, and these two conditions are bounded by logical AND operator. So in this case, a is less than b and a is also not equal to b. So this value returns true. So logical AND operators return true only if both the conditions passed to it are true. So if I have a pipe operator in here and I change this second condition to a equal to b, the result will be true again because in a pipe operator it is enough that either one of the conditions become true. So that's the difference between pipe operator and logical AND operator. So the last one is logical NOT operator. It just turns the value of true to false. So let's consider a case where so according to the pipe operator, the result of this operation is true and this result is being complemented by this not operator. Hence the result is false. That's the use of logical not operator. So next we'll move to bitwise operator. In bitwise operator, the operation is performed bitwise. So let's consider an example for bitwise operator. I'll draw a table for you for better understanding. We'll take four values of a, 1, 1, 0, 0, and we'll take four more values for b: 0, 1, 1, 0. So these are the values of a and b now. So a and b will give you result 0 because as we know that logical AND should have both the input values as true. So 1 means true here and 0 means false. Only one of the operand is true, so logical AND gives you 0. Next is the OR operator. So A or B is 1 in this case because A is 1. It's sufficient that for an OR operation any one of the operand is true. So in this case A is 1, so the result of A or B is 1. So this operator in here is known as caret. is known as a caret or cap. So, so the value of a caret b or a cap b is 1 only if both the operands are of different type. If the value of a is 1 and b is 1, it's the value of a caret b is false, or if the value of a is 0 and value of b is 0, the value of a cap b is 0. Otherwise, the value of a cap b is 1. So in this case, the value of a is 1 and b is 0. So the value of a cap b is 1. So this symbol is known as tilde. It just complements the value of a. So complement of a is 0. So by performing the AND or caret and complement operation, the result produced will be as follows. So that's it about AND or caret and tilde operation. So next we'll come to bitwise right shift and bitwise left shift. So let's take an example. I have a variable a whose value is 1100. So let us perform right shift two times. So this 2 represents how many times the right shift should be performed. By performing two right shifts, the value will be 0011 because the value of 11 is shifted to this position. So the value is 0011. So if I perform left shift two times on A, the previous value of A 1100, the value will be 0000 because the first two ones are shifted left and the two zeros which are present to the right of ones are brought front. So by performing right shift on A two times, you get this answer, and by performing left shift on A two times, you get this answer. So that's it about bitwise operators. Next we come to assignment operators. C has only one assignment operator, that is equal to sign. If I have to give a value of 2 to the variable a, I have to declare it like this: a equal to 2. So this 2 gets copied to the value to the address of a. So that's it about assignment operators. Next we come to Misc operators. Size of operators, as we have already seen, returns the size of variables you pass to it as arguments. So if I want to find the size of a variable whose name is a, I have to pass the name of the variable as arguments like this. So this will return the size of variable a. This is known as address operator. This returns the address of variable um, as we use in scanf function, and this is known as a pointer operator. It is used to declare a pointer, and this is known as a condition expression. We'll use these operators in our later sessions. So as for now, these are the operators that are present in C library. Please make note of it. This table here shows the operator precedence of how the operations are performed in C language. I suggest you to please pause the video and make note of it. So that's it for today. Please do keep watching our video and please do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.